actually post this. I thought I would do a room clean out, reset, makeover thing. I really wanted to do this because for the past couple days I've seen bugs and spiders, and I know it's summertime, but I don't want to be living in a room that's infested with a bunch of different bugs and stuff. And obviously I haven't been living here for months because I do go to school at the University of Glasgow. So I feel like my room is due for a clean out anyway. And just for context, because of the bug problem, I've been sleeping in the room next to my room for the past like 3 nights because I'm just terrified of bugs. So this is like really necessary so that I can actually start sleeping in my room again. So she's looking a little bit messy, a little bit dusty. We got a lot of dog hair. Here's Bogey, the culprit of all the dog hair. Wait, you wanna say hi to the vlog? Hey, tired. Also, I've been working as a waitress at a country club for the past month. So if my whole entire posting schedule is out of order and all jumbled up and not consistent, that's probably why. But yeah, just thought I'd give you guys that little update. I started with my room. I'm just trying to decide what corner I should start with. I'm thinking maybe my closet, just do a little clean out, maybe even throw out some clothes or donate clothes I don't want anymore. But yeah, thanks for joining me. I'm gonna get started. That I have. Obviously I have a really big collection, but over the years sometimes I like to keep candles I get just because the smell reminds me of certain times. So that's why some of them, even though they're practically empty, I like to keep. Or even like sometimes I like to keep until I can remember to get myself one of the same one if I really like it enough, just so I don't forget the name of it. Otherwise I'll throw them out. Guys, it's day 2. I'm gonna start wiping down my counters and my dressers, and I'm gonna like organize jewelry I don't want and the ones I want to keep, and then I think I'll try to wipe down my closet. I just got my other closet door removed. I feel like it just makes everything more open. Yeah, so I think it looks pretty good. I'm just gonna try to wipe everything down, take out things I don't want, and yeah. Clean this whole left side of my closet with bags and different things. This side is already fixed up because I literally just put my pop doll cases there. This is a several day affair. I just wish I could have like a full clean out day, but like with my schedule it's just not working out. I'm just gonna finish up and then I'll try to fix the rest of my closet, like the bottom half at least. Not even gonna touch the top today, and then I'm gonna head to work and probably see you guys again tomorrow. Guys, it's officially Friday morning. I'm going to try to finish what I didn't finish yesterday in my closet. I still have those 2 boxes out. I'll clean like the outside bits of them. now. It's actually 11 p.m. Right before I go to bed, I just thought I would show you guys. I have new TV. I've been watching some vlogs. My mom got it for me the other day, literally out of the blue. Just set that up. I think I'm gonna try to clean up my, bookshelf over there. I have so many books in this room. My future goal is to have a library in my house or make it like a secret room nook thing. So I like collecting books. I like thrifting books. So that's why I have so many like scattered everywhere. I do try to read the ones that I buy. Sometimes I just buy a bunch of books and I never end up reading them, but that's like a whole different story. That's totally fine. But anyway. It's a little bit later in the day now. I am totally slumped. I feel like this whole cleaning out experience has been taking up all my time, and I just don't have the time to have a single day to focus on this, so it's just dragging on. I cleaned out my entire desk area, so I feel like the only thing I have to focus on left is my bed and my side table, which is gonna take me a significant amount of time, which is fine. Anyway, I'm head to work, and I'll see you guys the next time I'm cleaning up. Guys, it's been a couple days now. This video is literally being dragged on for so long, and I know you guys are probably like, all right, just like shut up and clean your room for like one day. I know, I've been trying, guys. I've been so freaking busy this week. And also I've been filming like my New York days at the same time that this is happening, but that'll probably come out before this. So I'm finally going to clean up my nightstand, my bed. As you can see, I tried to clear off some of the things that were on my bed and put it on here for now. And then I can just focus on this. I can focus on this. And I can finally maybe be done with my room because everything else is pretty much all clean. I've also been listening to Coffee Break French while I've been doing this. And then probably after I'll watch some vlogs. Oh my god, side note, I started watching Bridgerton. I know I'm like totally late on this game, but my friends were like, you gotta watch it. And so I started it this week and it's like really good. It's really good. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to finish up my room. Maybe today and tomorrow will be the days that I finish cleaning up this room. So fingers crossed. Guys, today is the day that I finished cleaning up my room. It's currently June 29th and this took me weeks and weeks, but it's fine. It's fine. I actually have no idea how long this has been taking me. I'm pretty much done with my whole bed situation. I just gotta wipe down everything and put all of my little knickknacks and candles back on where they were before, which might take me the rest of the day, but I have work later again, so I'm gonna finally get it done, guys. I'm gonna get it done. So guys, it's a little bit later now. It's 9:58 p.m. I came back from work and I just wanted to finish this up now because I am sick of not being able to sleep in my room and my room being a mess, and I literally just have to put on my sheets and then just do a quick tidy up, and that's literally it. I told you this morning today was the day, and I meant today was the day this room would be clean. So let's freaking clean it up. While we're at it, I thought I'd give you a little room tour real quick before I wrap up this video. So let's start off where it all began. Am I right? The closet. I like organized my closet, jackets, sweaters, dresses. Then I have some scarves here, my comfies, and just random things like my Hogwarts robe. Corner here I have some knickknacks, a bunch of my books, my sword Sting. We got the Kangling over here, and yeah, we got the rest of my knickknacks over here. On the left side here, I keep all of my bags, and on the other side, all of my pop doll boxes. Bottom here as well, I have my shoes and just miscellaneous items. A lot of it is random art things, old cards I have. Next off, we have the dresser. We have my jewelry stands over here. We got Squidward. We got the Targaryen symbol. I painted this, by the way, so in case anyone's wondering. Also, my dressers are pretty much fully clean. I try to fold them as I go, so I didn't feel the need to actually go through my dressers and clean everything up. Next up, we have this window. Keep some postcards from places I've been, some seashells, my Russian doll, Polaroid camera, and just other random things. Then below, I keep a little box over here with my skincare, body care products. And then I have all of my writing utensils, my makeup, and other miscellaneous items. Up top here, I painted this. This is from Hawaii. This is from Scotland. We have my Polaroid wall, some other prints. I keep my little French workbooks over here, and then along this side I have my paintbrushes and my painting oils as well, and obviously my iMac computer, which I've actually had for so many years at this point. Here's the other wall, also painted that one. We got my big window, and then my little nightstand. I keep all my candles here and my record player and my beautiful amazing bed, which has to be my favorite part of my whole room because it has a mini bookshelf. Top here we have my salt lamp, some knickknacks, books. On this shelf I keep all of my French books. We got Fred and George Weasley, along with my journals over the years and some like ink and quill pens. Top here we got some of my favorite fiction books, and then down below here we got some classics. We got my Tolkien calendar right over my chair, gifted to me by my cousin. Fun fact, I've been in love with this chair for the past 20 years of my life, well 19 years of my life, and my cousin promised me that she would give me this chair when I graduated college, but then surprised me last year when I graduated from high school and gave me this beauty right here. And then finally we got the bookshelf, where I keep a lot of my Harry Potter knickknacks and books, as you can see. Down here we got Gregor and the Underland Chronicles, along with Game of Thrones, some yearbooks, and finally some other history books. This wasn't really a full-on decoration sesh or full-on clean out because I didn't take out all my clothes and stuff, but that's pretty much all I gotta do for this video. Also, side note, I know I look really pink/purple, so let's just ignore that for now. Wait, I have the solution. Wait, oh god. Well, that's fine. But anyway, hopefully this has inspired you to maybe clean up your room too, or you can just have this in the background while you also attempt to do a clean out. But yeah, thanks for tuning along, and I'll see you next time.